In this video, we're going to learn how to create responsive images using Bootstrap. I've added a folder, images, to our projects folder, and there is a picture in there. So what we're going to do, we're going to create an image, okay? And then we'll use Bootstrap classes to make the image responsive. So let's add a source attribute to the image. So we go into the images folder, and we are selecting that picture. Okay, let's have an alt attribute responsive image. Okay, so now we see that the image is shown with the original dimensions of the image. So if you want to make the image responsive friendly, so that's the image responds to the changes of the width of our viewport, we can use a class. It's called image responsive, and now you can see that the image will respond nicely to the size of our device. Okay, so what this class is doing, it's adding a max width of 100%, okay, to the image, and also a height of auto, so we call it an auto height. Okay, also we can use some Bootstrap classes to style the image. So for example, we can make the corners rounded using the image rounded class. Okay, we can also use the image thumbnail. Okay, and also we can use image circle, for example, and you can see how this is styled. All right.